What you're about to witness is not just a repair, it is the astonishing resurrection of a forgotten giant. From this shell of rust and decay, a titan will be reborn. The journey begins with a single, decisive lift, separating the weary machine from the world it once knew. A careful dance of machinery and manpower. The deconstruction starts, bolt by stubborn bolt. Ich bis, a chapter of a long-forgotten story. Beneath the corrosion, a hidden potential waits. With a shower of sparks, the purification begins. Fire and steel in a transformative embrace. Mending the fractures of time and neglect. A surgeon's precision with an artist's flame. The metal yields, ready for a new purpose. Now, the rough edges of the past are smoothed away, erasing the scars to unveil a clean slate. The first piece, reborn and ready for its new life. A symbol of the promise of what's to come. The process is a testament to patience and skill. Every component, no matter how damaged, is given attention. Broken seams are fused, creating unbreakable bonds. The violent beauty of restoration in motion, reshaping the metal with deliberate force, preparing for another trial by fire. The intense light of creation pierces the decay. A surface once rough is now refined. The meticulous process continues, one weld at a time. Attention turns to a different part of the machine's soul. Each new spark is a pulse of returning life. The dance of destruction and creation continues. By hand and hammer, the form is perfected, stripping away the old to make way for the new. The foundational structure is forged anew. Even the smallest details are given expert care. The commitment to perfection is absolute, shedding its skin of rust and time. Slowly, the machine's true form begins to emerge. An intimate process of careful reconstruction. With every spark, the future of this machine brightens. New pieces are integrated, strengthening the whole. Ancient metal is bent to a new will, refining the edges, preparing for a perfect fit. A new skeleton begins to take shape. Heavy-duty work for a heavy-duty machine. Adjustments are made with precision. The result of countless hours begins to show, joining old and new in a permanent bond. The final pieces of the puzzle are set in place. A final polish before the transformation is sealed. The grime of decades is washed away. A vibrant new identity is sprayed into existence. Every component is cleansed and renewed. The command center is carefully reassembled. The machine is given its new coat of armor, a baptism to cleanse the years of neglect. The intricate assembly requires a steady hand. Each part returned to its rightful place. A powerful stream erases the memory of dirt and rust. The painstaking process of rebirth is nearly complete. Now, the focus turns to the cabin. The machine's mind, shattered remnants of the past are carefully removed. The decay is deep, a testament to its long slumber, washing away the last fragments of its broken state. A protective layer is applied, the first step to renewal. A new window to the world is installed. By hand, the surfaces are prepared for their new skin. Technology and toil combine to strip away the old. The glass is sealed, making the cabin whole once more. Inside, the controls are brought back to life. Corroded metal is chipped away with force. Creating a clean foundation for the new structure. The process is relentless, erasing every trace of rust. Fresh steel is introduced, a sign of returning strength. The blinding light of the weld stitches the body together. The new seam is polished to perfection. Another panel is expertly fitted into place. The structure becomes stronger with each weld. A final inspection of the newly forged body. The transformation is dramatic and profound. Now, the meticulous work of surface preparation begins. A filler material is applied, sculpting a flawless form. Every inch is smoothed by hand. Power tools accelerate the path to perfection. The teamwork is seamless. The goal is singular. Then, a bold new color emerges. The vibrant red signifies a fiery rebirth. A steady hand ensures a perfect coat. The machine's new identity is sealed in paint. A stunning metamorphosis is complete. But the beauty is more than skin deep. The heart comes next. An intricate mechanical surgery begins. Unlocking the secrets of the machine's core. Each part removed is a step deeper into its past. The complex process of disassembly continues. A collaborative effort to understand the inner workings. Years of grime hide the true nature of the components. The careful extraction of a vital organ. Deeper and deeper into the mechanical heart. The engine, the very soul of the machine, is exposed. The heart of the giant is lifted from its home. A heavy burden, resting before its renewal. Transported to the theater of its reconstruction, the autopsy begins, revealing the secrets within. Decades of service are etched into every part. With practiced hands, the engine is carefully dissected. Each component is a puzzle piece to be cleaned and restored. The cylinder head reveals its complex inner life. The methodical disassembly requires immense knowledge. Specialized tools are needed for this delicate operation. Layer by layer. The engine gives up its secrets, moving from the head to the main block. Power tools speed up the process of deconstruction. Every nut and bolt holds a story. The process is long and demands unwavering focus, revealing parts that haven't seen daylight in years. Slowly nearing the very core of the engine. The complexity of the machine is awe-inspiring. A journey into the heart of internal combustion. The engine is now just a collection of its former parts. The flywheel, a heavy disk of potential energy, is freed, hands blackened by oil and history. Tiny components are just as critical as the large ones. The lifeblood of the engine drains away one last time. Each bolt loosened is a step towards renewal. The disassembly continues with relentless pace. The empty block, a hollowed-out cavern of steel. The process of liberation from its own shell. Teamwork is essential in this mechanical ballet. The main housing is lifted away, revealing the core. Focus shifts to the intricate gear assembly. A delicate touch is required for these vital parts. And finally, the crankshaft is carefully extracted. The backbone of the engine, now resting. The deconstruction is complete. Now, the cleansing. The raw power of abrasion scours the surfaces, stripping the metal down to its purest form. Every trace of the past is aggressively erased. A canvas of clean metal, ready for paint. An orchestra of grinders prepares the parts for their next life. The engine components now bear a weight transformation. The engine block itself is subjected to the same treatment. The cylinder head, once caked in grime, is purified. A chemical bath dissolves the most stubborn residue. The engine emerges, dripping with the remnants of its past. Even the fuel pump is meticulously cleaned. No part is too large or too small to escape renewal. The first coat of primer provides a new foundation. Each piece receives its protective layer. Next, a vibrant new color is applied. A deep black for the smaller components. The crankshaft is bathed and scrubbed with care. Submerged. It sheds the last of its impurities. The connecting rods are polished to a shine. a mirror finish for a life of constant motion. The valve springs, tiny engines of power. The gears are cleaned, ready to mesh once more. The valves, pristine and prepared for reassembly. The final cleansing of the cylinder head. The rebirth is imminent. The assembly begins, bringing the pieces back together. The heavy crankshaft is carefully lowered into place. A piston is gently guided into its cylinder. Each bolt is torqued to precise specifications. Bearings are set, ensuring smooth operation. The timing gear is installed, a critical step. Adjustments are made with specialized tools. Persuasion by hammer sets a bearing in place. The process is a blend of force and finesse. The camshaft, the engine's brain, is installed, securing the components that give the engine its rhythm. The pistons are fully installed in the block. The oil pump, the heart of the lubrication system. The front cover begins to seal the engine's core. Precision is paramount in this mechanical puzzle. The rear main seal is carefully fitted, connecting the lifters to the camshaft. Each part plays its role in the symphony of combustion. The oil pan gasket is prepared, and the engine's lower half is sealed, complete. Attention turns to the transmission and its complex gears. A sealant is applied, ensuring a leak-proof fit. A new cover plate is attached to the engine block. The heavy flywheel is mounted to the crankshaft. A two-man job requiring strength and coordination. The clutch components are prepared for installation. The freshly painted clutch housing is bolted on. The reassembly continues with methodical precision. One by one, the components are returned home. Now for the cylinder head, the engine's upper chamber. The valves and springs are meticulously reinstalled. The head is lowered onto the block, a critical moment. It is secured in place, bolt by bolt. A torque wrench ensures the perfect amount of pressure. The rocker arm assembly is next. Adjusting the valve lash with precision. This delicate tuning is vital for engine performance. The water pump is attached, part of the cooling system. The thermostat housing is bolted on. The engine, once a collection of parts, is whole again. The valve covers, a crown for the rebuilt engine. The push rods are inserted, connecting the engine's motion. The intake manifold is carefully positioned. The starter motor is mounted, ready to spark life. securing the ancillary components to the main block. The fuel filter assembly is installed. The generator is mounted, ready to create power. A pressure test confirms the integrity of the fuel injectors. The injector pump is fitted into place. Final adjustments to the fuel system. The intricate web of fuel lines is reconnected. The exhaust manifold is bolted to the cylinder head. The transmission undergoes its own revival. Old seals and bearings are meticulously cleaned. The main housing is lifted away, revealing the gears. The complex internals are systematically removed. A deeper dive into the mechanics of motion. An intricate labyrinth of interlocking gears. The final shaft is carefully extracted. The gearbox is now completely disassembled. The story repeats deconstruction, cleansing, rebirth. An old bearing is pressed out of its housing. Teamwork and ingenuity are required to free the cover. The smaller components are unfastened, removing the axles and drive shafts. Piece by piece, the entire assembly is taken apart, exposing the smallest, most hidden gears. The methodical process continues. A cutting tool separates a worn-out component, chiseling away years of hardened grime. All the parts, laid bare, await their renewal. A high-pressure wash blasts away the final residues. The grinder's wheel brings a new shine to old steel. The golden hue of raw, clean metal emerges. A hypnotic process of polishing and refinement. The complex housing is restored to its original luster. The first layer of protective paint is applied. A striking color scheme of gray and gold. The larger components receive their new coat. The final part is cleansed in a chemical bath. The gears are meticulously cleaned and inspected. A final scrub ensures they are free of any impurity. A collection of restored components ready for assembly. The gearbox reassembly begins. A reverse of the autopsy. A new bearing is carefully set into the housing. Gears are mounted onto their shafts with precision. The main gear cluster is lowered into the casing. A final check ensures everything is perfectly aligned. Another gear is added to the growing assembly. The shifting forks and rails are put into place. This complex mechanism will translate power into motion. The bolts are methodically tightened. An orderly collection of fasteners awaits their turn. A larger gear assembly is fitted with care. The lubrication system is reintegrated. The heavy gearbox cover is carefully guided home. The final bolts are secured. The external cooling components are attached. The last major piece of the gearbox is installed. A final inspection of the resurrected gearbox. The restored components are now ready to be rejoined. The control mechanisms are reattached to the body. A few taps from a hammer ensure a perfect fit. The newly painted panels are bolted on. The rebuilt engine is reunited with its flywheel. The process of reintegration is delicate work. Underneath the beast, the final connections are made. The entire chassis is lifted, ready for its wheels. The body rests, awaiting the final assembly stages. A moment of anticipation before it stands on its own again. The machine is loaded for transport to the final assembly area. A close-up reveals the lingering signs of its former life. A final, thorough cleaning before the last pieces are added. Washing away the dust of its reconstruction. The massive wheels are muscled into place. The axle is carefully maneuvered with a forklift. Lifting the heavy wheels requires immense strength. The chassis is propped up, ready for the drivetrain. The final drive gears are adjusted. A welder's torch makes the final structural reinforcements. The bright light of the arc welder forges new strength, strengthening the frame that will carry this giant. The main drive gear receives careful reinforcement. The excess from the weld is chipped away. The gears are aligned, ready for immense torque. The surface is ground smooth, erasing all imperfections. The entire assembly is prepped for its final paint. A caliper measures for perfect tolerance. The final mechanical checks are performed. The chassis receives its coat of protective gray paint. A complete and uniform finish. Every surface is covered, protected from the elements. The transformation is nearly complete. The massive roller wheel is ground smooth, preparing the surface for a fresh coat. The roller is painted a deep, rich black. The wheel hubs are painted a vibrant, commanding red. The color scheme reflects the machine's renewed power. The hubcaps are secured, a final touch of detail. The wheel assembly is complete, a work of art. The body of the roller is lifted for reassembly. The major components are brought together. With the help of a crane, the machine takes shape. The roller is placed onto a transport truck. The body is stripped down one last time. A team works to grind away any remaining rust. The final push for a perfect surface. No imperfection is allowed to remain. The body receives its final brilliant yellow coat, the iconic color of a powerful construction machine. The finish is glossy and perfect. A final inspection of the beautiful paintwork. The revitalized body is ready for the final assembly. The crane lifts the heart of the machine, the engine, it is carefully lowered into the restored frame. Connecting the engine to the rest of the machine, the final bolts are tightened, securing the powerhouse. The rebuilt engine is married to the rebuilt frame. A momentous step in the resurrection. The machine is almost whole. The operator's cabin is lowered into place. The final structural elements are installed. The last panels are bolted on. Each screw secures a piece of this remarkable journey. The exterior is completed with precision. The finishing touches are applied. The resurrected giant stands complete, reborn from rust. It moves under its own power once more.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Restoration Tools 6868 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.